everyone, very good evening all the way from Italy. The good thing is we are going to load crane and we are going to discharge at Mumbai Majgaon Donk or Indra Donk. So for the moment what we are going to do is, I have the rigging plan handed over to me by Chief Officer. So I will make sure, because tomorrow we are going to load the cranes, so before that we must be ready in all respect. So second mate has already handed over to me. That's a tough job, guys. You can see the grommets, 4 meter, 8 meters, 6 meters, all the grommets are taken out. So we are going to use tandem lifting. We are going to do tandem lifting. That means both the ship's cranes we are going to use. Number 2, number 1. As I've already told you, safe working load is 450 metric ton, and the crane which we are going to load is approximately 380 metric ton. So you can just have a look. This is the track which we have made today. So once the crane will put on deck, it is having the tires, as you have already seen. So one of the crane will go till the end and the other one will stay here. So 2 cranes we are going to load. For the moment we are shifting ship's gear, because tomorrow we have shifting also. Shifting means shifting, berth shifting. That is a very hectic job, you know. 3 months only I might have done shifting maybe 10 times, 12 times, and it's very hectic job. So this is our main hook. This is the lifting beam, big one, this one, and the other one is forward, small one. So lifting beam, down part we are going to use 8 meter grommets, then the top part we are going to use 15 meter grommets. Okay, so 8 meters 4 हो जाएगा और ये 2 हो जाएंगे, and the other one 8 meter, 8 meters and 12 meters along with 120 tons shackle plus 6 meter grommets, और ये है आपका hook. So quite a hectic job, not an easy job. And so this is the way we are going to lift the crane which we are going to discharge at Port Mumbai, and I will be able to meet my family. So hope so. And that's it. Italiano port. Today we had a nice Italiano pizza pasta, and there you can see the moon. I think you can see that. Okay, I will tell you one thing. We have 2 hooks. One is the one we call as whip hook, whose we can maximum 40 tons cargo we can load. The other one is 450 metric tons. Just imagine, guys, not an easy job. 1800 public working since morning, right? You people are working since morning, na?
Yeah, 6 o'clock now. 6 or 12 hours already finished.
12 hours already finished. So what we have done since morning, you know,
Siemens Live.
Yeah, Siemens Live, that is okay, but the only thing is like heavy lift operation is not that easy. This one is small one, I think. This one is big one. This is beyond 120. 120. Fuck, man. Such a hard job.
No power. Welcome.
Mukul Paji is here. So guys, what I want to say is, देखने से लगता है कि बहुत बेहतरीन है, पर ये बहुत हार्ड जॉब है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड जॉब है, और हर टाइम आपको सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो द चेकलिस्ट. दैट टू वी आर फॉलोइंग, बट you don't have time for yourself. We think that we can talk to our family. No, I have internet, but it's of no use. It's of no use. Moreover, we are +2 and India is +530. So 3.5 घंटे का difference होने के बावजूद भी we are not able to talk to our family. Moreover, we don't have time, no, especially them.
To talk to each other.
Talk to especially them, because these people are working so hard since morning, and the temperature is also very less. Most of the people are from Asia, so we are not, you know.
और एक GoPro वालों की देखो तुम रवा भी बहुत अच्छे।
ये कितना मीटर? 6 मीटर वाली है ना? 6 मीटर।
Hello guys, what's up? Good night.
Good night.
No. Good evening.
No, what we are doing now?
We are doing rigging now for this we call this grommet for heavy lift. We will connect all everything. We will use for lifting the we call our cargo is crane. That's all. Thank you. Muah chup chup. My English finished.
So guys, as you already know that what we are doing is we are going to rig. So we have grommets of different meters, like this one is 6 meters, this is 12 meters, that is 8, and that one is 6 है ना? So as per this rigging plan is being provided to us by the port captain or the charter's port captain, and we are going to rig it. As I've already told you, we have 2 lifting beams. We're going to use those lifting beams to load the crane, and we're going to discharge this crane at Mumbai.
Amchi Mumbai.
Amchi Mumbai.
Amchi Mumbai Baba.
That is Baba. Welcome back once again. This is 22nd morning, and in the morning we have, as I've already told you, we have to do shifting. We are done with the shifting around 7 o'clock. We were alongside, boats are alongside, and you can see fog. So the time we were coming alongside, it was full of fog, and we don't have the bow thrusters. It's being decommissioned, so we have to use the 2 tugs forward and aft. And it was difficult because we cannot have a good visibility. And here comes the Mr. Bossy. So Mr. Bossy, what's the plan for today? Huh? What?
We asked Chief Mate.
We asked Chief Mate. Yesterday you have already seen that we have done with the rigging. Not we. He has, along with his boys, has done with the rigging. And you can see the weather. Now we are going to unlash the crane. Already unlashed. Only need to jib up, boom up, and then we'll see what next. So that was the jetty. I know you cannot see, and we have to shift from that jetty to this jetty. The reason was, if the cargo crane comes, we will not be able to lift it because our beam was pretty big, and it was about to touch those things, as you can all see. Port captain was just joking, we'll take out this one, but that is impossible. Okay, for now we'll start with our job. Bossy is here, and Chief Mate is coming. He had some issue with his headache or something, so we thought, like, because corona is Italy is full of corona, and we don't want our crew to get affected by this corona. So that's it for now. And there was one more issue last night, that the charters have supplied 4 shackles of 120 tons which we need for lifting purpose, but these 2 shackles were of 85 tons. This we have already informed. So now
we will start picking up this yellow beam first, and then we connect the grommets 15 meters. We connect the grommets into the eye, and then we connect to the yellow beam. I am also coming.
Okay.
Lift driver already there. Okay.
So guys, you are the first one to have a look of these cranes which we are going to load till Mumbai. This is the first one, and that is the second one. Oh my goodness. Hi. Now we're going to start loading this big crane. This big crane we will put there in our ship with the deck. Now we will start preparing now. So the plan is like to load using both the cranes, and then we'll just put on top of this rails or the path which we have made, and then with the help of the tires it will go till aft. So this yesterday all the crew along with the port captain, chief officer, masters, they have made. We have used the forklifts. The purpose of making this that it should not harm our hatch covers. I hope you can see, it's written over there, India Ports Global, and made by Italian some company. So this is the cargo. We have 2 such cranes. For the moment we are just rigging, so let it be. It's taking time, and we had our toolbox meeting, so nice experience. So let's go, let's do my job. So guys, now we are taking out the counterweights for the crane, and then we are going to lift this crane using our ship's crane, tandem lifting, 2 cranes. So all these counterweights we have to take out, otherwise it will, when we pick up, there will be weight on the aft part and it will capsize. So guys, you can see the crew is engaged in picking up wooden. These questions are also asked, that how do you spread the weight of the heavy lift being loaded? So we use wooden, and these woodens, what do you see, is being supplied to us by the charterers owners, and our crew are engaged in putting these woods on top of the hatch covers so that we can plan accordingly for the loading of cranes, mobile cranes. कहाँ जा रहे जीप साहब, कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? खाना खाने जा रहे हैं.
So guys, now we are going to Chop Chop because my stomach too much.
Then how will it will be the same story? It will be the same story. Only you will increase the length, but when you pick up, this will lose. Because they connected the lifting point now, yellow point. The problem is now our both cranes are also engaged. So how to prepare for rigging? This one is okay, we can do something. That one is very difficult.
So guys, as you can see, the rigging plan supplied to us was not satisfactory, and this happens generally when you are loading heavy lift. The plan has to be changed several times. So if you have seen this video till now and you are waiting for the next video, so please do like, share, subscribe and watch these episodes which are going to come 1, 2, 3 and try to increase your knowledge. And thank you so much for liking, sharing my videos. Thank you so much, all the way from Captain Sokash.